it, I quickly want to show us or expose to us what happens immediately after Jamb registration. Now, one thing I've come to realize is that majority of students immediately after they do their Jamb registration, they always believe that is all. But the truth is that is not all. In fact, the major work actually starts from immediately after you do your Jamb registration, right? Now, I will list out to you the steps you need to put in mind in this video. Now, the first thing is after completing your registration, there is what we call reprinting. Now, before you even get reprinting, immediately you finish your Jamb registration. Now, the first thing you have to get is your registration slip. After getting your registration slip, you have to give you a novel. I think the present novel now is Lekki Headmaster, so you have to get a novel because you actually paid for it. As you are buying your pin, what you are buying is you're not only buying pin, you are buying both the novel from Jamb, you're also buying the registration form, you're also paying the city center all at once, right? So immediately you are done with your registration, you get your registration slip, get your Lekki Headmaster novel. Now, immediately after that, you are to check back for your reprint. That is the major thing I want to emphasize. Your reprint is the date that you'll be doing the exam itself, and the time, and also the city center where you're going to be doing it. Because during the point of the registration, you must have definitely pick the vicinity or the area or the state you want to do your exam. So what Jamb does is they randomly select students to the city center within that locality that was chosen by you. So you are to always look out and check out for your reprint, and that is why you are not in the fullback updates group. You really need to be there because you can't be far from information at this point in time. And the interesting thing is, without that slip, you will not be able to write exam. In fact, you need to reprint before you can write exam. Now, aside that, for those that are doing mock, obviously mock exams used to come earlier before the real exam. Hence the reason why you need to print your mock slip before time. Now, the most important thing immediately after or during even your Jamb registration is you must prepare well for the upcoming Jamb exam. Now, tell me, what is the point in registering when you are not preparing for the same exam you are registering for, right? Yes, I understand that you have tried to gain admission for years and it's not turning up, right? But then this is going to be different, or this year is going to be different because fullback is in charge. Fullback is practically in charge of your admission. That is for those that want to make us in charge. Now, perhaps you're working and you still want to do well in this upcoming Jamb exam. I would typically recommend for you the fullback online class, right? The fullback online class is it's a perfect place for you to be if you have a child that you don't want the child to go to physical tutorial. The fullback online class is perfect. If you're working class, you don't want to always you can't even merge work and going to tutorial the same. You can't merge it together, right? Because you have to go to work. Fullback online class is just where you need to be. And the interesting thing is, in fullback online class, you have direct access to every of our tutors. They take you through every topic you have forgotten, and they bring you back to your memory and prepare you ahead of the Jamb exam. That's not all. You are also able to join the lively community where we personally push you to do so well in the upcoming Jamb exam, just like we have done for tens and hundreds and thousands of students over the years. You want to consider the fullback online class. If you want to, all you need to do is just to reach out to us, maybe via WhatsApp or drop in the comment section or anywhere you can reach out to us, TikTok, anywhere you find you find this video. We will surely be able to guide you and put you on. Right? Yes, if this video gives you some value, you want to subscribe, and also you want to switch on the notification bell so you get more of our videos when we upload. I hope to see you in the next video.